Question 15 probability. To find the probability هو بيقول لي calculate the probability that one button is green. The total number here is 5 plus 2 plus 6 which is equal to 13. To find the first pick to be green is 5 over 13 times the second one is not green, it means 8 over 12. 8 over 12 because the problem is without replacement. We have to multiply by 2 because the arrangement is not important. So we could change, we could pick 5 over 13, the green first or the non-green first. So we will have to multiply it by 2. Using calculator, 5 over 13 times 8 over 12 times 2, and the answer is 20 over 39. Thank you.